674. Gosh dang. 589. Come on, yo. Oh, goodness gracious. Gosh darn. Oh, come on. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I don't have a product review today, but instead I participated in the 7-day 1,000 jumps per day jump rope challenge that I kept seeing on my YouTube recommended page. Which this was actually perfect timing because I literally just purchased these weighted ropeless jump ropes, which if you haven't checked out the video review that I did on the weighted ropeless jump rope, you should probably check that out. I will leave the link here above somewhere, and it'll also be down below, but watch that after you watch this. But before we get started, let's make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any product reviews that I may do that may be of interest to you. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But for now, let's get on to the channel. All right, let's go.
Okay, so day one was a bit rough. I kept getting winded as heck. I kept getting stomach cramps. I had to stop multiple times. But at least the good thing is, it only took 6 minutes for me to burn 59 calories.
Oh, goodness gracious. 4:07, it's only been 2 minutes. Starting to catch a cramp. Arms are burning.
Day one complete, I jumped 1,001 times. Disregard the calorie count on this jump rope here. It's not accurate, so I used my Fitbit.
Day two. If not feeling like working out was a person.
Day two, I realized jumping rope is much more fun when you have music playing, so I got me some music. Also, I decided to implement my Ab Stimulator, which if you haven't already, you should check out my Ab Stimulator video. It really enhances your workout.
589. Come on, yo.
My legs felt like some daggone noodles by the end of this workout, but at least I ended up recording 1,305 jumps. I didn't take a picture of my calories on my Fitbit, but you get the point. Also, shout out to Kiara and her crew for joining me in the challenge because, I mean, it's no fun if I'm struggling alone. I appreciate y'all.
Day three.
Day three, I decided to switch it up and use my 10-pound weighted vest. I really like working out in a weighted vest. It really enhances your workout, strengthens your glutes, your thighs. My daggone arms were burning. They were about to fall off, but I felt amazing after this workout.
9.99, come on, yo.
Well, despite the fact that I felt like I was going to pass out, but hey, no pain, no gain, right?
132.
Okay, I must have been delirious or something because clearly that was 1,035.
Day three, done.
Shout out to Big Brother Black joining me in the challenge. As you can see, he's also using the weighted ropeless jump rope.
Alright, I almost forgot to do my jumps, so I was getting ready for bed and forgot that I didn't do these today. So, day four, here we go.
So once again, for day four, I decided to switch it up and use these resistant bands. I love working out with a resistant band. This is actually my first time jumping rope with it, but this will really engage your glutes. Your thighs will be burning, which is a good and bad thing. More of a good thing. I also love working out in some type of waist trainer. I mean, this really gets you sweating and helps you to burn more calories.
135. Done.
I don't know why I can't comprehend after a workout. That was 1,035. So I love using my vibration platform machine as a way to recover. And this just really helps to loosen up your muscles. I mean, it helps you when your muscles are sore. And it just helps to alleviate the pain that you might feel from working out and allow you to recover a lot faster.
All right, day five. Trying to get my music straight here. I honestly thought I'd be enjoying this a little bit more, but I'm not. I'm really not. No, you know what? Actually, I'm lying. I am. If I didn't have to record myself every day, then I would probably be enjoying this a little bit more. But
now on to day five, I decided to use my 12-pound weighted vest. Again, enhancing my workout and really working out my glutes and my legs. I mean, my calves at this point are really feeling a lot stronger. I also noticed that I'm able to go a lot longer without stopping.
Woo! I finished strong. 1,042.
Right. Clearly I meant 1,043, but you get it.
All right, guys. Day six. I really need to time these out better. I keep waiting to the last minute to do these daggone jumps, but here we are.
So in case you haven't noticed the theme already, I love to wear workout enhancers, and today I'm wearing the Sweat Shaper, which definitely helps you sweat more and burn more calories.
Gosh darn.
Crazy thing happened in day 6. I realized I actually enjoy jumping rope every day.
1,034. Day 6 in the books. All right, finally, day 7. I may do a few extra jumps if I'm feeling a little bit more ambitious, but we'll see.
All right, I purposely dramatically slowed this down. I mean, check out the definition I'm noticing on day 7.
Woo! Come on! 674? Gosh dang.
And I tried to get fancy, but this is why I decided to use a ropeless jump rope, because I'm not fancy.
$1,403.
So I'm definitely pleased with the results here. I can totally see how my legs and my calves are a bit more toned. I didn't take a picture, a before and after picture of my abs or any other part of my body, because that was not my focus going into this challenge. But it wasn't on purpose, but I did actually lose about 3 pounds.
All right, so that's it. Overall, I really enjoyed this challenge. Shout out to the people that reached out to me and joined me in this challenge, and the ones that are even still doing the challenge. I mean, knowing that you could burn up to 100 calories by just jump skipping to about 3 of your favorite songs, I mean, that's amazing. And the fact that just 10 minutes of rope skipping is equal to 20 minutes of running, and I hate running, so I'm all about this rope skipping. But anyway, thank you again for watching, and if you're interested in learning about other home workout equipment that'll help you to get in shape, don't forget to check out my workout playlist that I've attached, and until next time, stay fit and stay safe.